A lot of people do the mixing of their tracks during the production. It goes hand in hand. But, sometimes you do mixing for someone else's tracks, or maybe you want to revisit a track of your own and start remixing it. In those cases, a good workflow would be to first balance a track. First set the levels without doing anything else. No EQing, no compression, no reverbs and stuff. I'm going to bring down all the tracks except the kick and bring in the other tracks one by one. Here's a spot in the track where a lot of stuff is happening. See, this is a much better moment to decide how the bus compressor on the master bus should be set. Because I don't want to do more than 3 or 4 dBs of gain reduction on the master. That's more than enough. And I have the release on auto, like I mentioned. That's the cleanest sounding. And I get a lot more pumping if I put it on these lower release times. Let me show you. Can you hear the difference? There's a lot more pumping going on. And sometimes that's what you want, but in this case I want to have it clean. Maybe bring in a bit of the dry signal. In fact, maybe I do want to have it on one of the faster release times to get a bit more of that famous SSL glue. See how that sounds. And I think I'm going to bring up the beats quite a bit to drive the compressor more. There we go. So we got a solid balance. Let's go to the next tutorial and see what we can do with dynamics across the mix.